Alright, so the first thing we're going to be opening is the Celebrations Deluxe Pin Collection.
Sorry for the glare, guys.
And it looks like we got a Zacian Level X card.
As the free promo.
As the free promo and a Pikachu pin.
Now that pin is magnetic.
Really?
Yep, at the very top. It can switch between surfing and flying Pikachu.
Alright, well let's put Zacian Level X in a top loader. So that... There's two of them in here. I think one's a code card.
Yep, one is a code card.
Okay. So there's Zacian Level X. He's going to go into the binder.
And again, thank you guys for tuning in.
Then it looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of Celebrations, a pack of Vivid Voltage, and a pack of Chilling Rains. And this enamel pin. That's really cool.
Yeah, it's magnetic. Has the top part go and switch in between.
Oh, he can be flying Pikachu or surfing Pikachu.
Yep.
Neat. Okay. So let's set this aside for a second and open up some packs. First, I'm going to open the Chilling Rains pack. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front.
Yep.
Except I had a code card in there, so there's the energy. Path to the Peak.
And the final card is
Warren.
Warren.
Okay, so no chase cards, no money cards. But here's a pack of Vivid Voltage.
Mind you, this trick only works on anything pre-Fusion Strike.
Okay.
For some of the newer sets.
1, 2, 3, 4. So we got a Dark Energy. And our last card is a Clefable. It's very rare Clefable. Alright, now we got 4 packs of Celebrations to open.
Trying to get a different angle for you guys. Sorry we didn't have the tripod today.
So, Zekrom.
Yay!
I think I needed one of those for one of my binders, so praise God. Ho-Oh, Kyogre, Yelvatal, and Lunala. Kyogre, Cosmoem, Dialga, and Professor's Research. And here's our last Celebrations pack from this Zacian Level X box. Looks like we got a Zekrom, a Dialga, and a Blastoise.
Nice.
Nice. More Blastoise for the collection.
Squirtle Squad, where you at?
Okay.
I'll come over to this side so I can get a better angle at the opening.
Do what you will. Okay, guys, now we got this ultra premium
Celebrations collection box.
collection box.
Otherwise, the UPC for Celebrations. You're gonna be hyped.
Yeah.
Yeah, a trend is gonna keep going for you. It comes out of these boxes. That's why this set's so special.
Okay. So,
It's a flip.
oh, it flips?
Yeah, so see, there will be a part to open up.
Okay, that's fancy.
Yeah, and then there's 3 little boxes. Let me get on the other side. Sorry, guys.
Ooh.
That's what I was telling you about.
A gold Pokeball.
Oh, you're gonna see the next one. There it is.
A gold Pikachu.
Look what's under the Pika, though.
A gold Charizard.
That's what I was telling you about.
And some packs of Chilling Reigns. Okay. Okay.
And that's a magnetic strip that closes and keeps the box open. Also, that could be an error miscut Pika, just so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's been error cuts in them. Oh, well, there's UPS. Parked right out front.
Have you already opened one of these?
No, I've been looking for one. I've just looked into it.
Okay. That's about as good as I can get him in the top loader. Okay. That's about as good as that one's getting in top loader. Might as well leave these in the case.
Actually, people get them graded.
Yeah, I was gonna get them graded too. What is this, another pin?
Yep.
A Charizard Pikachu pin? And
A 25th anniversary metallic coin. By the way, those cards are metal.
yeah. Nice. Too bad there's fucking already scratches on the card.
Mm,
See that?
yeah.
There's no BGS 10. Alright, you guys, so we got a number of Celebrations packs and a number of Chilling Reigns packs I'm going to open. Oh, and some Darkness Ablaze and some Vivid Voltage.
Yeah. This time you get a variety.
Yeah. Let's open the Darkness Ablaze first.
Maybe another Zard.
Maybe another Zard.
No hollow or higher. Because it's a green code card.
Mana Trick and Ducklet.
Aw.
Gold card.
Same case.
Galarian, Mr. Rhyme, and Rose Tower.
Oof. Yeah, still at least we got some reverses.
Yeah, let's open Vivid Voltage.
Maybe Chunkachu. The rainbow one. And even if you get a green code card, there's still a chance to get an amazing rare. Ooh, white code card.
I see something gold.
Mmm. Oh, a secret art. Shiny Galarian Obstagoon. Fire.
Fire, fire, fire. Here, I gotta go run and grab some top loaders real quick.
Alright, guys, give us 1 second. But look at that. It looks really good.
Yeah, I seen some gold on the corner of the card, and I was like, ooh.
Mind you guys, he is doing a live opening for the video here.
Yeah, let's open another Vivid Voltage pack. What does that mean?
Green means amazing rare or higher. So in the amazing rare is the only thing you can get out of this, and that would be in the reverse slot. So if you see reverse, yeah, nothing. Unfortunate.
One more Vivid Voltage pack. And
A
Zarude.
Zarude V.
Yeah.
Zarude V. Nice.
Okay, now we got 3 packs of Chilling Reigns.
And a bunch of celebrations.
And a shit ton of celebrations.
Green code card, unfortunate.
Sobel.
Sobble. Reverse.
Sobel.
Sobble. Sobble. Well, that's its name.
You can tell I don't watch the new TV shows.
Yeah. You're an old collector. It's fine. And a
Karen's Conviction.
and then a hollow Tauros.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Single strike Tauros. One last pack of Chilling Reigns for y'all.
And a
Slurpuff.
reverse Slurpuff.
Okay.
And a
Rocket
Rocket
Zapdos.
Zapdos. And a Surfing Pikachu.
Nice. See, I thought the Steve Aoki box was going to come in something like this. Real nice and...
Professional.
Groudon, Yelvatol,
You're
Kyogre,
in
Professor's Research.
Professor's Research.
I was a little bit disappointed. My Steve Aoki box.
Yeah. Kyogre, Zekrom, and Solgaleo. Maybe we'll pull that Mew.
That would be so nice. I could use another one of those.
And a Rocket
Rocket
Sadman. And a Groudon. Oof. No special chase card.
Well, they are like 1 out of 100 packs.
Yeah.
I think 1 out of 5 packs is supposed to be some kind of chase card.
Rocket
Zapdos.
Rocket Zapdos.
That's my friend JJ said that's his favorite card in the whole set.
And a Zamazenta V. And a full art Professor's Research. Another Rocket Sadman. Ooh, that's Xerneas EX.
The Xerneas EX that I was missing. Wow, now I got 2 of them.
Nice.
Woo! I did get one from you already, right?
Yep.
Okay. I just got to remember where I put it.
Yeah, you put it somewheres. And then a full art Pikachu.
I heard the corners and the black lines and shit for this set were really hard to get perfect. So if you get a BGS 10 Pikachu, it's worth like a couple $1,000.
And Surfing Pikachu V. Oof, nothing good. Rocket Zapdos again. Getting down to the wire here, guys. Will we pull the Mew or another Zard? Let's find out. The Mew EX. And the Pikachu. Well, we pulled a Mew, but not the one we're looking for. Reshiram and another full art Professor's Research. Final pack. Will we get the Mew or the Zard? Let's see. Kyogre Cosmog, Celebrations Pikachu, and Zacian V.
Nice.
Not a bad pull.
Well, that's it for this Ultra Premium collection box. Again, we got a CGC 8.5 Articuno today.
That is correct.
We got a holographic Jungle Japanese Kangaskhan. And we got this Ultra Premium collection box and a Zacian Level X box.
Again,
And
thank you for tuning in.
yeah, thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.